It just hurts so good. I'm telling you, being honest.
No, I understand. That's how we want it to feel. Body's pretty intuitive. It knows when you need something. Because I can do some of this work on kids that are, you know, like 4 or so. And they can't really even tell me what's really going on. And I do work on them that, you know, it's not very comfortable, I would say, but they'll sit there and they'll let me do it because they know something about it. They just know.
Oh yeah.
Feels good.
Oh yeah. What I'm saying, will it go away or what?
Yeah, that's the goal. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's what we want to happen.
And this thing right here. Man.
Yeah, that's from the disc in your neck. All of this is because of the disc injury in your neck. Right hand goes right there.
Right, this hand?
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Oh.
Big breath right there. All the way out. There you go. There it is. Okay, let me see his hand. Good job.
Okay.
Just loosening all this up because the tighter all this is, the more you're going to tingle.
Okay.
This also keeps your nerves alive. Dude, you got the biggest forearm I've ever seen. Look at that thing. Good lord.